All right, Real Estate Investor Sav back with you at my Windsor project. Check it out. Man, we got stairs going up into the second level that we created. Dormer up there. We have 2x6s cistern in with collar ties to reinforce this old roof. All the hammering outside is the roof getting put on there. We talked about that, but this is according to code. Look how beautiful this is. Cathedral ceiling. Gonna end up at. I can't even imagine the way this house looks now compared to what we had it before. Subfloor, electrical. Almost electrical, 90% done. You have all the sockets, all the boxes already set up, wires run through. We got plumbing in. There's a kitchen sink over there, a drain I should say. Plumbing started yesterday. Well on our way. This is the bathroom. We have the flange for the toilet. We got the holes cut out for the vanity. This just got to be pulled through. I'll show you downstairs real quick. These guys are moving. They're moving nice. So down here, check out the plumbing. Remember we had this crawl space, but look, that's the stack. It was just that one thing sticking out of the ground when we got this house. And now all the plastic's in. You can see all the black plastic there. It's kind of dark, but we got all the pipes running through the length. Moving out. Looking real nice. On this side, coming in, you can see here from there going up. Right now it's just cut off, but it's gonna go up pretty much to that bathroom and the upper level. I mean, electrician, I love him. Look at that. Look how clean, tidy, color coded. Check this out. Check this out. I never seen this before. I've been doing this now for some time. I never seen this before. This might be me, but he's got these little channels to run the wire through, so if there's any problem, it's all separated, it's all entangled and whatnot. Beauty. And it just matches with the bulkhead of the vent there. Let me show you upstairs. Now you can actually go upstairs and look at it. Couldn't do that before, but we're standing in the kitchen. There's the steps, that's a half wall. That's gonna go right up there. Now I'll get drywall up there. Let's go up real quick and take a look up to this beautiful creation of a master bedroom. That's a big ass bedroom. Big bedroom, and over here, what you're looking at is an ensuite. There's the bathroom, the bathtub drain, toilet drain, vanity. Electrical's already in. And listen, the fan's gonna go in. There's gonna be a window. Beautiful ensuite for this big master bedroom. One window, two windows. A lot of framing. This is a walk-in closet, so we could have barn board doors over here. Slide them over. Walk-in closet. Switch for the closet. We got sconces on the inside, so once you get into the closet, you're actually going to have lighting. Not so much height, but a lot of lighting. Really nice. Love it. All right. So this is the sort of shit we do here in Windsor. And if you ever need help and you need somebody to do this sort of stuff, we got the crew, we got the network, we got the contacts, we got the skills. My man Doug right there, expert framer. Build a house from scratch if you want to. So we got everybody.
Build a house from the inside out.
There you go. there you go. So give us a call, DM me on this post. Check me out on social media, Real Estate Investor Sab, one word, Real Estate Investor Sab, IG, Facebook, YouTube, and we can set it up for you. All right, peace.